Now, if you're a 9 to 5 worker, a sit-at-home mom, an unemployed graduate, or someone that is looking for a way to upscale his or her income making stream, or someone that is actually looking for a way to have at least what he or she will fall back maybe in his or her retirement time, or maybe you feel that you really have something that you want to leave as a legacy for your retirement. Maybe your pension that you're expecting will not be enough to take you throughout your retirement. You really need a side hustle or another way of making money. You can call it a passive means of making money. This video is for you. Or if you're someone that has been looking for a way to break into the social media market and create your own online presence, but you've not known how to go about it. You don't even know how to start. You don't even know what to do or the right step to take for you to break even. This video is also for you. All I'm asking you is for you to stick around this video, and I bet you at the end of the day you will learn so much from this video. Oftentimes than not, a lot of us wish to have an online presence. A lot of us wish to, own our own social media account that we can showcase our skills on what we know how to do and the services we can render. But there is a limitation that has been holding a lot of us down. And what is this limitation? It is how to edit your videos. Oh yes, very true. You cannot be a successful content creator or someone that have an online presence that churns out videos in form of content without having this very important skill of editing your videos yourself. A lot of us has tried to, create an online presence, maybe create a social media account, and we don't have that skill of video editing. We rely on someone else editing our video. At the end of the day, we get disappointed. Not for the mere fact that the video editor really wants to disappoint us, but the fact that we are all human beings, and at one time or the other, there is bound to be what they call human factor or an unforeseen circumstances that is beyond our control. So, in that particular instance or circumstances or situation, what will you do as a content creator? You find out that you will not be able to achieve the consistency that you need in putting out your videos for your audience. If this is the kind of video you want to watch, I will urge you to please click on the subscription and turn on your notification, and as well like, comment, and share so that anytime I drop a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. Hello, great minds. You're welcome to Umenka Victor YouTube channel. And today, like I said earlier on, I want to hold you by the hands and teach you how you can edit your video using InShot. The reason why I'm using InShot for today's video is because it is totally free. So stick around and watch this video to the end, because you will learn a lot of elementary basics that will enable you to start your own Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok, or even Instagram channel or account right now. Alright, first and first, after recording your video or making your content or whatever you want to edit, the next thing you need to do is for you to click on InShot. At this junction, I want to say a very big shout out to InShot for always making all their features free, because if you notice now, most of the CapCut's features are in premium. So I'm saying a very big shout out to InShot, because sometimes I wonder where they make their money. So you will see video, photo, and collage. Then you click on video here. When you click on video, you will see new. This new means new project. So you click on where we have the cross sign. Click on it. When you click on it, you go to the video and download the video you want to use. Let's say we want to use this video. Okay, when you click on it, then you click good here. It will bring you here. Now, for you to have a video that looks very professional, you need to remove this InShot logo watermark. So at this instant, all you have to do is for you to click on this small X sign, like an X, like a times sign. You click on it. When you click on it, it will show you free remove and InShot Pro. This InShot Pro means when you want to use the paid version of the features where we have the effects, stickers and more. But if you want to continue using the free version, you click on free remove and an advert will play. Alright, the advert is done playing and here we go. Your video is looking very professional because the logo is out. Okay, the next thing you do is you will need to check where you have some errors in your videos and cut them out. So you have to play your videos and see. The main reason why many of us open a social media account or created a social media account or created a YouTube or created the main reason why. Okay, as you can see now, there is a mistake here where I am saying or created or created. Now what you need to do here is for you to go to this splits. When you locate splits, you will now locate where you want to cut. You will now click on split like this and now take it to where you want to stop removing the error. That's the error in your video, and now click the split again. When you now click the split again, you now click on that place you want to remove like this. Then you click delete. I don't want to delete anything, but just for the purpose of this video, that's what I'm showing you guys. Now if you don't want to delete anymore, or if you feel that what you delete you made a mistake, you go to this arrow on the left hand side of your phone. You click on this arrow here, it will undo. It's like an undo arrow. You click on it again. If you want to undo the second time, there are two arrows. The one facing left is undo arrow, while the one facing the right side is a redo arrow. So you click on it and the place you want to cut out will be undo, or the mistake you made will be undo. Then you go further and look for another place you want to remove your mistake. You do the same thing. So just like that, this is how you keep removing errors until you have a perfect video clip. When you now have a perfect video clip, the next step is for you to start adding either music or any other thing that you want to add. And next time I'm going to take you guys on other basic elementary features that InShot has to offer for a content creator that want to edit his or her video by herself like you. In case you find this video helpful, please, I beg you, click on the subscription button and turn on the notification so that you get to see this video anytime I drop it, and like, comment and share